So hello guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we're gonna use Google Gemini. As you know, Google launches their new AI bot, which is Gemini, and Gemini is really cool. And so guys, in this video, I'm gonna use Gemini to create a script for a YouTube video. So guys, if you need a latest information script for your YouTube channel, then Gemini is one of the best. GPT. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna use Gemini to create a script for a YouTube video. At first, we have come to the Google Gemini dashboard, and Gemini is completely free to use. So if you want to go for the advanced version, so you can go. But today I'm gonna use the free version. How you can use Google Gemini to create unlimited of script for your YouTube channel. So guys, let's just start. So I'm gonna create a new script like top 5 AI image generator in 2024. So I'm gonna write me a script about 1000 words for a YouTube video about top 5 best AI image generator in 2024. So I'm gonna add something like add much details for each website and add some fun and cool things in the script. So I have just added a new prompt like write me a script about 1000 words for a YouTube video about top 5 best AI image generator in 2024. So I need the latest information in 2024 like best AI image generator. So I have just added like add much detail for each website and add some fun and cool things in the script. So I'm gonna add something like make a unique script for all types of audience. So guys, I have added a prompt in Google Gemini like write me a script about 1000 words for a YouTube video about top 5 best AI image generator in 2024. Add much details for each website and add some fun and cool things in the script and make a unique script for all types of audience. So I have just added, so I'm gonna hit submit. So let's see how Google Gemini will work on this. So guys, as you can see, as you can see, Gemini just create me a script like top 5 mind-blowing AI image generator 2024, and then it says its intro, then its host. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving headfirst into the incredible world of AI imagery. So I'm gonna see which of the website it bring to us like top 5 AI image generator, which is image creator from Microsoft Designer, Bing image creator, which is a latest image creator. You can search that. Then if you go to the second, so it says DALI 3, which is right now the top AI image generator by OpenAI. Then we're gonna see it added like Dream Studio by AI, which is also popular but not that popular. So then it says Adobe Firefly. Then in the last it says generative AI by GTM. So guys, I'm not actually satisfied with this script, so I'm gonna add something more like please revise the script and add Big Journey to our AUI. Then Lexica AI, then Pixeler AI, and remove number 5, and I don't want number 3, and so and preview like number 3 and 5. So I have just added 3 uh, image generator, and I don't want this remove studio, so I just added like and remove number 3 and 4. So, and also I don't want any like uh, this kind of stuff like host or show the key, any things like host, show clips. I'm gonna add just extract the script. So guys, I have added another point like I want some changes in this script. So I just add like please revise the script and add Midjourney, Lexica AI, then Pixeler AI, and remove number 3 and 5. And I don't want any things like host, show clips, just extract the clips. So I'm gonna let's see what happened, how Gemini will perform this. So guys, as you can see, Gemini just revised the previous script and it created me a new script on there are 5 AI image generator, and the first image generator as well as the Bing image creator, then it says done 3 by OpenAI, then it added the Midjourney, then it added the Lexica AI, then it added Pixel AI, which I really want to add in this script. So guys, as you can see, there are very minimum of information it produces. So I'm gonna add like this is really cool, but add much more details for each website and make a long script for this. So guys, as you can see, Gemini added like 2 to 3 lines for each website. So I'm going to need a long script. So I just added this is really cool, but I need okay, I'm going to add I need much more details for each website and make a long script for this, and add and like write 2 paragraph for each website. So let's see how. So guys, as you can see, Gemini just revised the whole script and it created me a large script. Like as you can see, there are much more information for each website. So guys, you can use Gemini to create your latest script for your YouTube, and don't trust the all of the script that Gemini will give. Try to give your own things to it. Like this script is really great, but I need an intro, so I'm gonna add a outro for this. Write the script again. So I'm gonna need the whole script. So I have added add a outro for this. Write the script again. So I'm gonna hit enter. So let's see. So guys, as here you can see, you can create unlimited of video script with this AI. As here you can see, I have created much more script with Gemini, like what are the top Android games people are playing. So guys, as here you can see, Gemini just created me the whole script and all of the latest games, like what are the top Android games for people are playing in 2024. And Gemini says the top Android games in 2024 covered a rave genre, so there is something for everyone. So if you search any of the games, so these games are the latest games like the Eyes of Era, like PUBG Mobile, then Genshin Impact, then Make Arena. So these are the all latest game that people are playing in 2024. So guys, all I have to say, like you can use Gemini to create your latest script and put that latest information. So guys, thank you so much, and you can create your unlimited of video script with Gemini, because Gemini right now the trending AI bot by Google, and it knows the latest things as compared to Chat GPT. So if you use Gemini for your YouTube channel, it will be much more better for you. So guys, thank you so much, and keep using Gemini to create your outstanding AI. So guys, create your outstanding videos for your YouTube. Gemini will take care of your script. So guys, thank you so much.